Hi, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Diego Hermida with the Land Realty, and today I am having an open house over here in this beautiful house that is located in Lavon community of Great Heritage. And as you can tell, that is the house. You can tell my signs are not too far away, and what's behind me? An elementary school. Very convenient. Some facts about Lavon. As a community is a beautiful community. Started its in the 2000s. The houses are still being so you have fairly new houses that are still for sale. We got a beautiful house, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, full of beauty in the great heritage community in Lavon, not too far away from Lake Lavon. And if you know anything about Lake Lavon, or the Lake Lavon, the Lavon Reservoir was started in 1948 and it was finally finished